Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set 4G, 3G and 2G only modes on Huawei modems like Huawei High-Link supported Wi-Fi 3G dongles or 4G routers. So let me first show you in my Huawei High-Link app, that's the default app for managing Huawei modems, that my current BSNL network is set to 2G. This 3G Wi-Fi dongle has automatically switched to 2G mode, whereas I prefer 3G only mode, and there is no such option to enforce 3G only mode on this modem and several other Huawei modems. So we are going to download this particular app that you can see right here. I have given the link in the description section of this video, and first you need to head to the setting of this app, and there you have to enter the IP address, admin, ID and password of the web admin panel of your Huawei modem. The default is 192.168.8.1 and the default ID and password is admin. Now you have to hit on go button here. As you can see, I have encountered an error. It says loading failed there in the console log window right here, you can see. So I have done some sort of mistake in entering the login details of the web interface of this Huawei router. So I have to correct that mistake by heading back to the setting page. As you can see, there is a red color bar right here below the IP address, which means I have done some sort of mistake in the IP address. I have entered an additional space in IP address, which I have to delete. And now you can see that the code is injected. This app is doing the needful to patch our Wi-Fi 4G or 3G router or dongle, and you can see login is successful. New modes patched. Now it's asking me to select the desired mode. I have set it to 3G only, and here you can see I have received the message success in the console log window right here, which means that my modem is patched. Now my Huawei modem 3G Wi-Fi dongle will not switch to 2G only mode, will not switch to low speed network, and it will remain in 3G mode even when the signal is unreliable or even when I have low network bars. You need not interfere again in the network setting of your default Huawei High-Link app, and this patch will survive even reboot. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.